April, I was so surprised to learn about the extensive amount of training that you had to go through as a non-lawyer in order to earn your guardian ad litem certification. Could you tell us about that?
Yeah, so the guardian ad litem certification for a non-lawyer is pretty extensive. There are about 13 different certification areas that we have to test through to get that umbrella certification as a guardian ad litem. And so I'm just going to give you guys a little bit of a breakdown in some of those areas. So the some of those areas include child abuse and neglect, child well-being, effective communication, interviewing children, information gathering and documentation, judicial proceedings, child welfare and the law, educational advocacy, childhood trauma, keeping children safe. And then there's some medical areas that I have to do some training in, such as abusive head trauma and psychotropic drugs and preventing youth suicide. So then after completing those 13 separate certifications, then there's actually a 5-page evaluation that I have to be tested on through the statewide guardian ad litem office. And some of those areas just in that 5 pages are things like understanding the function and responsibilities of a guardian ad litem, knowing how to evaluate what's in a child's best interest, understanding the competencies necessary to act as a guardian ad litem, understanding how to obtain relevant confidential information, knowing how to find support resources to assist in my investigation, establishing rapport with children and the parties, strategies for interviewing children, understanding age appropriate behaviors and development for children of ages, understanding possible reactions to separation and loss. And these are just 10 or 11 of the 59 separate categories under that massive certification process. So it really is pretty extensive. And what I found while working with lawyers in rewriting the 61402 statute, which is the qualifications of a guardian ad litem, is that there were many attorneys that didn't even understand the process of, what a non-attorney guardian ad litem goes through. So I think, it's important to kind of put that out there and help everybody understand, the again, massive amount of training that I have as a certified guardian ad litem. And then on top of that, I work with Bentley, the therapy Frenchie that most of you have met before. So there's, that additional training that I had to go through with him as well to have him as a service dog when he works with me with my kids.
Well, I'm impressed. And as always, it's so good to see you and Bentley. And till next time, April.
Bye-bye.